I threatened to show you this stereo in the square body pickup, so we'll do that now. We're out for a cruise, so good time to show you this. This is the twin turbo square body that Chris has been racing and having fun with and building for years. Seems to be lasting quite well. Hasn't broke down in as long as we can remember, so that's a good win. Put this down for now. Okay, I just want to show you the stereo. That's what I'm here for. Chris built a whole custom interior. I won't get into too much detail. He might share that with you one day, but it's all modified. You can see he put the deck down there under the passenger seat, and the subwoofer behind the seat there. He only allocated me room for behind the seat, so I put that in the software WinISD. I think we had 1 cubic foot of actual room, so that's all we used to make it sound as good as we could. Ports on the other side, down facing sub. Yeah, right. Alpine deck. That sounds pretty good. Cheap deck, but does its job. And then there's the marine speakers that I bought off Kijiji. They were in a JL audio box, so they were advertised as JL audio, and when I looked, they certainly were not, but being marine speakers, I thought they were still worthwhile, so I have a few sets of those. Stuck one set in here. There's his angled risers or whatever, angled spacers, so that we can make sure the speakers don't just oppose each other. A little better sound that way. What else I gotta show you? I'll show you the port. See if we can see the amplifier or not. I don't know if we can. Maybe. Okay. Oh, there we go. So there's our custom box, which I showed you before in a previous video. There's the port. Little logo down there. Can you see the logo? There it is. Dhefpapsnsun sub chambers. Port. Can't see the sub because it faces down, of course. Sounds good that way. Let's see if we can see the amplifier. There's a Pioneer Premier 130 watt amp. I think it's one of those cheater amps. The fuses in it are twice the size of what the amp's rated for, so I think that's a sign. Good amplifier. And yeah, that's a stereo. So I'll give you a listen maybe or something. I don't know if I can give you a listen. YouTube might get mad at me. I don't think so. I'm just gonna grab my booze and oh.